Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create multiple users on Motorola E15. Firstly, hop into settings, now scroll to the very bottom and go into system. Now multiple users, enable this option, now tap on add user, next. Now tap here to create a nickname for this user, a username, and tap here if you would like to upload a profile picture for this user. And now then just tap on done. And as you can see, a new user has been created. Now to switch in between the users, you have to double pull from the top of the screen to the bottom. Now tap on this icon and now choose the user that you would like to log into. So let's select the newly created one. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.